All right, here we go.
Can I do it now?
Yeah, you can do it. Hit the button. All right, Erin, I've got both walls going. It hits the wall. It's working with the wall. And honestly, I didn't do anything with it. Just started it up, so I'll put a wall right there. I'll move it. I'll put it right here. And all I did was put batteries in the wall and start it here. Let's see. Watch out, B. Hello, puppy. Alright, so I'll put the battery all there. It seems to be doing what it's supposed to. I'm stumped. It works here. And the big thing is just making sure that, let's see here, the little arrow is pointing the direction you want to block. The little hole is shooting toward the way you want to block. But yeah, your guy seems to be working all right.